What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Team Corally Shogun. What I want to do, I want to put these Jetco supersonic tires on there because they got a lot of grip. Do a little street bashing with this real fast. I'm going to do a speed run. But first I'm going to run it on the factory tires because I want to see how it feels back to back. Let's get into it. Alright, we're going to do a speed run with this real fast. Getting right into it. Alright, let's do another pass. Let's see if I can get a full throttle out of this. Couldn't keep it straight. Full throttle. I only got a 5200 milliamp 50C battery in here, so it's really not pushing on like that. Let's check that speed, see what that was. Yeah, that was 59 miles an hour. I don't think she's gonna do no better than that, but we're gonna give it another shot. I'll wait till she crawls. All right, we got it now. That was 56 miles an hour. What it is, I need that Gens Ace. I'll hit like at least 62, 63, maybe 65. Cause this a 50C and the Gens Ace is like a 120. So you know that helps. Whoa. All right, here go the second part. Second part of the Shogun. These tires are real sticky. And this is full throttle right here. Seems like the factory tires is the best option for this car though. Just want to see how we're doing this speed run though. One more pass and I'm gonna check this. This is full throttle right here. Full throttle. Let's check that speed. Yeah, that was 52 miles an hour. Yeah, these tires grip. They won't even let me slide. Yeah, they won't even slide. All right, let me check this. Yeah, that was 51 miles an hour. Not really doing nothing with these on there. These aren't bashing tires. These are street tires. Uh, 52 is high as I got, and it's dying down. Yo, it is cold. But as always, hit that like button, that notification bell. This is Phillyswords RC. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.